delicious springtime coffee cake recipe cherry blossom, perfect for brunch or dessert. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a delightful recipe that's perfect for the spring season, a springtime coffee cake. Cherry blossom. Whether you're planning a brunch with friends or just craving a sweet treat, this coffee cake is sure to brighten your day. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For this springtime coffee cake, you will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup chopped pecans, optional, zest of 1 lemon. For the glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2-3 tablespoon milk, half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch baking pan. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, add in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract and sour cream. Mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, we want a tender crumb. Pour half of the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it out evenly. Now, it's time to prepare our streusel topping. In a bowl, combine brown sugar, flour, cold cubed butter, cinnamon, lemon zest, and chopped pecans. Use a fork or your fingers to crumble the mixture over the batter in the pan. Next, add the remaining batter over the streusel layer, spreading it gently to cover the topping. Pop our coffee cake into the preheated oven and bake for 35-40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While our coffee cake is baking, let's prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Adjust the consistency by adding more milk if needed. Our coffee cake is out of the oven, and it looks amazing. Allow it to cool for a few minutes before drizzling the glaze over the top. And there you have it, a gorgeous springtime coffee cake that's bursting with flavor and perfect for any occasion. Slice it up, serve it with your favorite coffee or tea, and enjoy the wonderful flavors of spring. Thank you so much for joining us today on our spring baking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. And as always, if you try this coffee cake at home, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Happy baking, and we'll see you next time. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.